Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from probability. The question is, if A and B are two events such that P of A intersection B is 0.3 and P of A bar intersection B bar is 0.6, then find the value of P of A intersection B complement or A complement intersection B. A bar, we can read it as A bar or A complement. Okay, so now let us take the given P of A intersection B equals to 0.3. P of A complement intersection B complement equals to 0.6. What is the actual formula for this? A complement intersection B complement is equals to A union B whole complement. Just we put the probability here. Right? This is the formula. And one more formula, P of A union B whole complement can be written as 1 minus P of A union B. Right? This is one more formula. So by this, what we can say? P of A complement intersection B complement equals to 1 minus P of A union B. This is given 0.6, which is equals to 1 minus P of A union B, which implies P of A union B is equals to 1 minus 0.6, which is equals to 0.4. This is P of A union B. What is the asked? P of A intersection B complement or A complement intersection B. This can be written as how? P of A intersection B complement plus P of A complement intersection B, right? If you let us see this in a small Venn diagram so that you can understand what we have to find. This is A and this is B, right? This is the intersection part. Union means whole you will get. So A intersection B complement means which are not there in B and contains only in A, means this part, right? In the same way here also A complement intersection B. A complement intersection B is only B, right? So when you will get this part of value, when you subtract the union from intersection, when you subtract this whole part from when you subtract intersection part from the union part, you will get this part. You will get this part. So this can be written as a P of A. 1 minute. So P of A union B minus P of A intersection B. Understood? From union part, if you subtract the intersection part, what left? A intersection B complement, A complement intersection B. That you will get. So P of A union B is what we got, 0.4, and what is P of A intersection B given? 0.3. So 0.4 minus 0.3, which is equals to 0.1. This is the answer. Like this we can find the values. If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.